Hi everyone, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation. If you haven't subscribed, do so and hit the bell so when I upload a new video you'll be notified. Thank you for all the new subscribers and thank you for all the returning subscribers. And today I'll be using the diamond press Marquise to put vinyl on a coffee mug, and I'll be using transfer tape. This is Cricut Tranfer tape. You can get this at Walmart or Michael's. And I'll be using the Cricut permanent premium vinyl. This here, you can get this at Walmart too. And you'll need your diamond press Marquise blank to run your die through, and I'll be using this die here, and this is a Sizzix die. This one here is a Sizzix die. See where it says Sizzix on the back? And I'll be using this to put the flower put a vinyl flower on the coffee mug. And I'm first going to start out by cutting a piece of vinyl for this to go on. You got to cut it big enough for your die cut. And cut a piece of that. Okay, and I already had a piece of Cricut vinyl, a small piece already here. So this is a Cricut premium vinyl that I'm using. And you'll have to run this through your diamond press Marquise machine, or any kind of machine you have you can use. You can, if you have the Cut-A-Bug, you can use that. You have the Sizzix, you can use that. Cricut, you can use that. Take your die cut, face it down. This is the part that's going to cut out. Face that down. Put it in your blank folder, and you can tell I've been using this one a lot. This folder I use a lot. I might have to get a new one. And then just run it through. I'm having trouble getting it through there. I hope it's not staying still either. Run it through. And my handle's a little squeaky. And it should cut out like that. You see how it's cut out? It's got such a glare. It's got a glare on it. So that's the way it would cut out. Okay. You can tell I've been using this a lot, and it's still working good. It still goes through there. And you're going to take a piece of your Cricut Tranfer tape. You're going to cut a piece big enough for this. Let me cut a bigger. I'm going to cut it a little bit bigger so I can see it when I'm facing it down on the. I'm just going to cut this for now. I like this Cricut Tranfer tape because it's got these lines in it. That way I can cut a straight line. Okay, I got that cut. You're going to weed out all these negative parts that you don't need. I use this Cricut tool, and you're going to take out all the parts that's not going to be used. Like, see how I took that part out? I'm going to take out all these little pieces here. Some of them you can pull out with your hand. Pull all them out, because that's not going to be part of the... This is a negative part. Got to weed all that out. See, it comes out real easy. Weed all that out of there. So you can take this little machine and put vinyl on your coffee cups or your water bottles, as long as you got one that a die cut you want to put on there. And I like this flower one, and I do put butterflies on them. Weed all that out of there, all your negative parts that's not part of the... Weed all that out of there. Almost got it all done. And it cuts it pretty good. It cuts it all the way through. And this is Cricut Premium Vinyl. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Michael's. So I almost all weeded out. And it should look like that when you get it all weeded. And this is going to come out too, because you're not going to use that part. So it should look like that. That's what's going to go on your coffee cup. And you're going to take your, this is clear vinyl. I'm going to take and peel that. Well, it's not clear, but and you're going to put it over top of your I'm going to put it over top of this first, and then I'm going to peel the back of it off. You're going to put it over top of there. I'm going to put this on the back of it. And then you're going to burnish it. You're going to burnish it down. So it'll stick to this masking tape. And then see the back of the vinyl, you want to take that off there. That little, so the vinyl can stick to your mug. Clean this off. I usually clean it off with a little bit of Windex. Just make sure it's nice and clean and dry. Make sure it's clean and dry so your vinyl will stick to it. Then you're going to take your vinyl and try to face it up on here nice and even. Make sure you get all the crinkles out of it. And put it down and have a lot of wrinkles. Try to get it nice and even. That might be nice and straight. And then you're going to take and burnish it again. Burnish it on there so when you go to pill it, it'll pill off of there and it'll pill on your mug. Let me see if I got it. You want to make sure it's burnished on there right. Just burnish it on there real good. I'm using this Cricut scraping tool. You can use anything that you got, as long as it burnishes on there that's flat. I usually rub it a lot, so I'll make sure it's gonna stay on there. And then after you burnish it on there, and shake this a little bit, make sure it's staying on there now. And just peel it off. Oh, that piece ain't burning. Let me rub back over this piece. Yeah, make sure it's on there before you pull it up. And you're not going to use this, you're going to let it set for a while before you go to start using it. And it should look like that when you get done. Got too much glare in here from the light. But that's about how it should look. And it should look like that. And I don't know if you can see it. And it's pretty much stuck on here. And if it ain't, you can try to burnish it down more. But you're going to let it set on here for a few days before you're going to use it. Let me try to get that glare out of it. And that's about how it looks. And it's pretty much stuck on there. And I did do another one. When you take and you rub this over top of it, over top when you're putting it on there, what it does, it makes it stick better. And you got to make sure that all these have been burnished down so it'll stick on here. If not, then just go over it again until it does. So, and that's the way it looks. And then if you want to, I could probably use that over. It's still sticky. And if you want to, and you want to give it as a gift to somebody, just take and fill it with some tea bags, some green tea, organic tea, and some apple cider if you want to give it as a gift. That's what I'm going to do. And you can put like these sticking up a little bit so they'll know it's got tea in it. And you can take one of these bags here. You get these from the dollar store, Dollar Tree store. These are these clear bags. I'm going to give this to my friend for her birthday. You can take and use one of these bags and just put it down in there and tie it up here. Makes a great little gift. You can do these for Christmas. You get these little things in your with these bags too at the dollar store. And you take and just close it up. You can put a little ribbon on it, which I'll do after I get off of here. And you got a nice little gift to give. How's that? So they got a lot of hot drinks they can use, and I also made this one here with a butterfly. This one here is a Sizzix butterfly. And this is done with the Cricut vinyl too. And these cups you can either get at Walmart or a dollar store. They always have coffee cups in the stores. And yeah, you can give these as little gifts. You can get happy birthday bags. You can get, sometimes they have Christmas ones. And this makes a great gift. And all you're doing is putting a little vinyl on it. And it says happy birthday on the bag. Thanks for watching. And these are the ones that I made. My vinyl projects with my diamond press Marquise. And these are the ones, this is the one I made for my friend. I don't know who I'm going to give this one to, but that's nice too. That's a Sizzix die cut there, a butterfly. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell, so when I make a video you'll be notified. And thank you for watching. Be blessed. Have a good day. Bye bye.